today in front of me REALME C25s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just to click here to the silent mode and switch the sound mode, ringing mode to the silent mode by this way. And by this way, as can you see, we just can turn on the silent mode on our device. And just to turn off silent mode and to turn off the ringing mode, switch again this mode to the first one. And also we can do it by the second way. You just should hear your ringtone volume panel, swipe with your finger to the left side, and as can you see, the silent mode is activated. And just to turn it off, swipe with a finger to the right side again, this white dot. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.